have a tall iced coffee.
A tall iced coffee.
With 2 pump sugar-free vanilla.
2 pump sugar-free vanilla.
And then 1 pump caramel syrup.
Classic.
No
One,
classic.
No classic. And 1 pump of
caramel syrup. And
caramel
then
syrup.
a splash of cream.
And a splash of cream.
Actually, no
Anything
cream.
else? Delete the nitro. Make a repeat of the tall iced coffee except no cream.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley. Today I'm really excited because we're going to organize the bathroom. We're gonna organize the fridge. We're gonna organize the kitchen. We're gonna organize like everything that is a total mess right now, which is most of my house. I'm with my mom. We're gonna organize together. Let's go. First, I'm at Starbucks. I just got a iced coffee with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of caramel syrup, and no classic. And I'm actually gonna put a little bit of my protein shake in the Starbucks. I'm gonna show you guys that because we're gonna need a little bit of energy before we tackle this cleaning. So I actually didn't have the vanilla Owen shake, but maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Today, I'm gonna just use this Califia Farms creamer. I'm gonna put this in my coffee. This is the cookie butter creamer. It's amazing. All right, guys, starting with the office. This will be fun. Yes. I'm gonna unplug it. Rid of that push. This is connected to here. Wait, what about right here? Is that bad? I don't know, it could also like not look good, but it could also be, what do you think?
I like it how it's out from the wall just a hot second.
I like it too. It's kind of peaceful. And then we can hang up some shelves.
Clothing has to go here, mirror has to go here.
Wait, look how good this looks! It's so cute! And it's so bright. Wow, look at her. We could just make it super tasteful. Does it look good?
I love
How is the
it!
lighting? Do we like it?
Love the lighting.
I cannot decide where to put the mirror. Either we put it here or we put it here. Guys, I can't decide. All right, guys, I think this is where we're gonna put it. Looks so good. I'm exhausted, so I think I'm just gonna like stop for the night, but I wanted to show you our progress. Okay, look how gorgeous she is. And then look at this corner. I'm excited about this little corner, this little nook. Oh, hey, Jesus. I think we're just gonna keep this wall like pretty blank and just like a minimal room. And I think this will be a really cute mirror for OOTDs and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, your girl is so hungry, and I say we tackle the bathroom and the fridge tomorrow.
It's not so heavy.
Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed.
Like,
Mom, this is stunning. Yes, queens. And then we'll organize it by category. New light. She's bright. All right, fam, it's the next day and I'm sweating because it's so hot in Nashville. I'm just gonna have this snack. Love Lar bars. They don't have a ton of protein in them, so I don't eat them a lot because I do love to get like a good amount of protein during the day, like a true gym girly. Speaking of which, guys, I have not gone to the gym in 4 days. I went for the first time on Monday and I hadn't gone for a week. So I have literally worked out once in the past 2 weeks. I don't feel the best. Sometimes you just need to take a break and other things need to be first. Anyway, Mom and I are going to Target right now. And we are making a list to make sure that we're actually focused and not just buying random stuff. We probably will buy some random stuff and it's gonna be fine. So Mom and I tomorrow, we're gonna go to this warehouse sale. It's gonna remind us of the Black Friday days. We'd be ready to go into Sephora at like 3 a.m. I'm saying this in faith. We're gonna have our stuff in Target one day. This is such a good book. There's hummus back there and it smells really bad. All right, you guys, it is the next day and let me just give you a rundown of this morning. So, trying to wake up at 5:30 a.m. to go to this decor pop-up that everybody freaks out about in Franklin. I slept in till 8:30. I'm feeling discouraged because I slept in and I'm missing the best home decor show of my life, basically. And then here we are. We're getting donuts and coffee, like feeling defeated. Fam, we look at each other, we go, you know what? This doesn't end till 1. Why don't we just go anyway? We'll still go and maybe we'll find something great.
It's like Black Friday at 10 a.m.
You bet. We are on the way right now to go to this home decor store. Hopefully we're gonna find some good things for the house. We're looking for a rug for the office, pillows for the great room. What else are we looking for?
Pillows for the great room, rug for you, lamps.
Office chair.
Office chair for you would be great because they have cute chairs there.
Yeah, and we're trying to like elevate the office. Pillows, plants, just fun stuff. We're gonna have fun in there, okay? Come with us. It's gonna be so fun. I like it. All right, angels. It is finally time for the organization reveal. You're gonna have to bear with me because a few things are not organized. A few things are still in progress, but that's just real life. You know, you're gonna have moments in life where you're just trying to tidy up your life, trying to tidy up things, and you're gonna get like most of it done, but there's gonna be a couple areas that are still yet to be worked on, and that is okay. We're gonna take it one step at a time. Without further ado, let's go into this. I'm so excited to show you guys how we organized the house and worked on it. This first space is office. I'm obsessed. I want to show you guys this. Oh my, she's gorgeous. We have pens, we have pencils. I love these like white organization things from Amazon. Mostly all of this is going to be my storefront. These are some battle cards. Actually, one of y'all sent me these. And then we have these blue light glasses, some notepads. This is a planner. And then we have like another notebook and then like weekly lists. And this is really good for office organization. It looked literally insane before, you guys, so it feels so good to have it done. This is just like headphones, and then I'm gonna put my laptop here and electronics. Okay, now that chair, we don't know what to do with, but I really like this space. And I also have these baskets. I put bags that I wear a lot. This mirror is here. Just don't even look over there, but that's basically everything I don't know what to do with. I love having a little whiteboard here. I've really only planned 1 week at a time, but I want to get to a point where I'm planning like the whole month. I didn't really do that with this month, but we just have next week planned, and that's okay. This area I'm excited about because I just wrote a focus wall. There's just like a couple things I'm gonna blur out because I want them to be private. I basically made a focus for health, I made a focus for relationships, personal, work, and social media, and I'm going to focus on these things for the rest of the year. Don't look at that. Okay guys, I'm so excited about this part. Look at the skincare wall. Wow, I mean, she is stunning. I got these shelves on Amazon. They're not expensive at all. It's just a way for you to put up your skincare so it looks aesthetic. I also was able to just organize this area too. All of my makeup is back here. And then I have like contact lens stuff. We have brushes back there. We have toothpaste, my retainer, this, some hair clips, headbands, hair ties. These are just like body creams. That's some more hair stuff. There's the Dyson Miss Girls in here. She used to be out of here and it was just taking up a lot of space. And then we just have brushes back there, some more vitamins, some like face razors and eye serums. We have headbands back there. These towels I love for just like cleaning my face. And then these are more like hair products. What I really love about it is everything has a home. So nothing is without a home. That just makes me feel really good. Now, Miss Girl is sprucing up her prayer board. That's gonna be a video that we do soon, but this whole wall, just leave it. Act like it doesn't exist. Okay, now we're in the chest of drawers area. I got this from Amazon, you guys, this jewelry organizer, and I love it. Here's where I put my rings, gorgeous. Here's where I put more earrings, bracelets, big hoops, and then necklaces are over here. And then I have this little tray for perfumes, which is great. And I had the most disorganized Bible reading corner. And your girl organized her Bible reading corner. And I am so excited to show you guys this because I made a Bible basket. I'm gonna show you. This is our corner, but look at this little guy. Look how cute. We have this basket. I got it from that home place that I was showing you guys, but I know there's a ton on Amazon that I'm going to link for you guys. So what we did is we put these two like organizer things. We just put some highlighters in here, and then I have an area just for pens. Then we have have this notebook. You guys, with this notebook, I just put like prophetic words that people spoke over me in this notebook. So every time, I believe in prophecy. I believe in if something is spoken over you, prayed over you multiple times, you should write that down and you should start believing that in faith. There are a couple things, like this whole book, you guys, is full of prophetic words. When I'm doubting God's plan, when I'm struggling to trust God, I will go into this book. I will go, okay, no, Lord, you said this 5 million times, so I'm not going to doubt you. I'm going to believe this in faith. So this is basically like my faith notebook. I really encourage you guys to start one. Back to the program. Where's my Bible? Guys, where's my Bible? Oh my gosh. I found my Bible. I found her. She was hiding. Bible is here. And then I have just more notebooks, a gratitude journal. I have my own prayer journal here. You guys can get that in the link in my description. I just have like a reminders. I have like a Bible study journal here. And then this is the goal planner. I'm obsessed with it. She's just so much more organized in this corner. And I think that Miss Bible is super happy to be organized. I also have my iPad here because I like studying the scriptures on my iPad. And you guys don't know the craziest thing. So my prophetic journal, I was running out of pages. I think I mentioned this in my other vlog, but anyway, Miss Heidi girl sent me this journal to my P.O. box. She sent it perfectly on time because I don't have a journal anymore for these things I'm believing God for. She got me one and she didn't even know. Thank you, Miss Heidi, you're so kind. This whole room is my bedroom. Now we're in the nightstand area. We get her out, really in love with this space. This wood organizer is from Amazon, super inexpensive. I will link it. We have highlighters and pens in this little area. We have linen spray, my glasses. She really struggles to see. Then we have my journal right there. This is for my fan. And then this is my like lighter for candles. And then we have my masks. And then I just have books down here. I obviously need to put more books down here, but this book is so fire, you guys. Now we are in the kitchen. We have this drawer, which we organized. Oh my goodness. All these tools. We have like measuring cups in the back. This is kind of just miscellaneous, okay? Don't hate me. This is usually where my coffee grinder will go. And then we have spatulas, potato peelers. I still have yet to organize my fridge. That is gonna be a whole thing because I don't even know how to do that. And then this is my wellness drawer. Look how stunning. So we have my daily greens here. We have daily vitamin, some tea, probiotic. This is just like a fun little collagen. And then we have vitamin D. Then I have like all my Nespresso capsules here, my frothers. These are more vitamins. This is from Peak, so like Peak Matcha and then Peak Electrolytes, and then these are amazing electrolytes as well. Of course, we have more to organize and not everything looks perfect in this house, but I hope that this encouraged you to get organized in your life because it really feels good to just take some time, clear out the clutter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and comment this emoji if you made it to this point of the video. Love you guys so much. Bye.